Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically cut audio in CapCut. It's super simple. You're just going to go to the audio section here, or you can use an audio of your choice. Add it to the track. For instance, you want to cut this part, you're just going to select this one to delete right. Or if you want to delete the beginning, you're just going to select delete left. You can also use these to split it in parts and delete the middle if you'd like to. Or you can use the B, which will just split it in a bunch of places. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!